Welcome to another edition of Laptop Living, Quick Tip Tuesdays, where every Tuesday we do quick marketing tips on topics for the real estate niche, various small businesses, and marketers and agencies. And on this edition of Quick Tip Tuesdays, our topic is emails that you should be sending to your real estate leads. If you don't know who I am, my name is Adonis Howard. I'm a social media marketing specialist and consultant for the real estate and small businesses. I also specialize in, but not limited to, Facebook ads and lead generation. And I'm also founder of Laptop Living. I'm pretty sure you know how important communication is between a realtor and their leads. But what is the best form of communication? Conversation, right? Right. But I'm pretty sure you know it's impossible to try to conversate with every lead on a consistent basis just to convince them that you are the perfect person to help them buy or sell their home. So what's the next best thing? Emails, of course. Emails is one of the oldest forms of marketing, but still one of the most profitable. And people read their emails every day, as long as the emails are interesting and full of value. That's why I made this video, just to give you tips on how to stay on top of mind, show value, and build trust. But before I show you the 7 must emails, here are some basic rules before creating and sending your emails to your leads. Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish in this email, and is my message clear? Am I following the 80-20 rule, 80% value and 20% sell? Also, would I read this? Make your emails short and concise. Remember, leads get a ton of emails daily. Your first email should always be your introduction email. This email should just be a greeting and a quick summary of a little bit about you, your expertise, and the reason for the email. Also, let them know about the next email, and always have a call to action on how they can get in touch with you. Your next email should be establishing expectations. Your email should let leads know what to expect from you in the future and valuable content. Let them know how frequently you will be in touch and actions they should take. The next email sent should be your value email. This email should be nothing but valuable content such as newsletters, blogs, guides, checklists, etc. It should have a call to action, and it should establish you as a go-to person in your sphere. Now, the next email you send out should be your testimonial email. Now, this email is self-explanatory. Make sure to send testimonials to establish trust. Also, make your testimonials stand out by adding a story to it. And place a link into your email to more testimonials on your website. This gives more proofs and trust build. Okay, by now you should have sent several emails giving value and establishing yourself. This email should be all about your lead, asking them specific questions on their wants, needs, and desires, on anything you want to know in order to help them buy or sell. This email is strictly for leads who never responded or haven't responded in a while. Ask, is there a reason for not responding? Ask if there is anything you can do for them, or if they would like future emails from you. Okay, this email should go out a day or two after the deal has been made. You congratulate them on closing the deal, you ask for good reviews and possible referrals, and you send more emails after the deal just to stay in the loop. And as an extra bonus tip, find where your client is at in the buying stage. Know how frequently to send emails. For example, if a lead is ready to buy in a month, they should get more frequent emails than a lead who is ready to buy in 6 months. If you want in-depth expert advice on lead gen and automated emails, reach out to us on Facebook Messenger. And that's it for Quick Tip Tuesdays. Hope this was super helpful, and don't forget to like and share this post and page. Have a beautiful and productive week, and I'll see you next Tuesday.